Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a design and shape on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a shape, duplicate the shape, remove the background color. Then select a photo, adjust the photo, save the shape and photo, select the 3D shape, select the emboss button, light angle, change the background color, select the image. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.